Hi everyone. In this video, I want to showcase how agentic systems handle appointment management. Scheduling, rescheduling, cancellation, etc. Now, scheduling an appointment with AI sounds trivial, but it's one of the hardest things to get right. Here's what is involved behind the scenes. The agent has to read a live calendar, hold a slot so that there is no race condition, convert time zones on the fly, and recover gracefully when the caller says something like, I know I said Monday, but let's make it Tuesday. Most voice agents would break on at least one of those. Let's have a look at the one that I built for healthcare. Our patient John Hackett gets an SMS nudging him to schedule his overdue cardiology consult. John goes ahead and calls in to book this referral. When John interacts with the AI agent, she already has full context of who John is and pulls up the open referral from Dr. Khalid. She then offers a few slots. John picks one and Mira books it, all in less than 90 seconds. Now, here's the agentic workflow that's behind the demo: multi agent orchestration, which means a team of specialist agents controlled by a single orchestrator. One agent authenticates the caller using the phone number and date of birth. Another one handles triage. Now, the triage agent's job is to take what the patient says. For example, I've been having chest tightness when I climb stairs, my knee is hurting, and then turn it into structured data the rest of the system can act on. Now, clinical safety is the highest stakes decision in this call. If a patient says, I'm having chest pain right now, the system has to catch that and escalate to 911. It should not schedule an appointment. There's another one that manages scheduling logic, one that pulls clinical knowledge from policy documents, one that tracks the entire session. Finally, an orchestrator on top decides who talks when.
Thanks for calling TalkDesk Healthcare Scheduling. I'm Mira. I can help you book, reschedule, or cancel an appointment. To get started, can I have your date of birth and phone number we have on file?
Sure. The date of birth is February 14th, 1988, and the phone number is 214-668-5171.
Thanks, John. I've got your record pulled up. I see you have a cardiology referral from your PCP, Samira Khalid. What brings you in today?
I would like to book the appointment, please.
I have 3 available appointment options with Dr. Patel at the cardiology department. Thursday, April 23rd at 9 a.m., Monday, April 27th at 9 a.m., or Monday, April 27th at 9:30 a.m. Please let me know which option works best for you.
I'd like to take Thursday at 9 a.m., please.
The appointment with Dr. Patel at the cardiology department on Thursday, April 23rd at 9 a.m. will take about 60 minutes. Your specialist copay is $50. Should I go ahead and book it for you?
Yes, please. Go ahead and book it.
You're all set, John, for your appointment on Thursday, April 23rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. I've just texted the details and prep instructions to your phone. Anything else I can help with today?
Yes, I have one more question. Can I do this over video?
The appointment type you booked, a cardiology consultation, is not eligible for telehealth by default. This is because it requires in person physical assessments like an electrocardiogram and listening to heart and lung sounds. However, follow up cardiology visits may be done via telehealth at the cardiologist's discretion for stable conditions or medication management. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Let me show you what just happened under the hood. When I gave my date of birth and phone number, the orchestrator handed off to the authentication agent, which verified me and pulled my full patient context for the rest of the call. Next, when I said I wanted to book, the orchestrator engaged the triage agent with my chief complaint. A triage is critical. It turns free text symptoms into structured specialty and visit type. From there, the scheduling agent pulled Dr. Patel's calendar, offered three available slots, and booked the one I picked. And then finally, when I asked about the televisit, the agent pulled the eligibility flag from the scheduling database and the clinical reasoning from the TalkDesk healthcare telehealth policy document. It stitched both of them into a single patient friendly answer. As you saw, scheduling looks simple, it isn't. Voice AI looks hard, it's gotten better. The real work is the architecture between them. That's what I built. Thanks for watching and follow for more.